In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a product page in Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the items in your store are listed, and it's the starting point for editing any product page. Once you're on the product screen, find the product you want to work on and click its name. That will open the detailed product editor. This page controls almost everything your customers see on the product page in your online store. At the top, you'll see the product title. Click into the field under Title to change the name of your product or give it a new one. Try to make this clear and descriptive because it appears on your storefront and in search results. Just below that is the description section. Click into the description field to add a new description or update the existing one. You can format your text with headings, bullet style formatting, and paragraphs to make it easy to read. This is a good place to highlight benefits, materials, sizing details, and anything a customer should know before buying. Within this description area, you can also embed images or videos. Use the toolbar options to insert media that helps explain or showcase your product, such as a short demo video or close-up shots. Further down, you'll see the media section for your main product images. To add more images, click the plus icon inside the square. You can upload new photos, lifestyle shots, or different angles so customers get a complete view of the product. Next, scroll to the pricing section. Here you can set or update your product price, and if needed, a compare at price to show discounts. Make sure the currency and numbers are correct, as this is what your customers will be charged. Below pricing is the inventory section. This is where you can manage stock levels, adjust quantities, and track how many units you have available. If your product has variants, like different sizes or colors, you can add and edit those here as well, including their individual stock numbers. You'll then see the shipping section. Check details like weight and whether this product requires shipping. This information is used to calculate shipping rates at checkout. You may also see category and meta field options depending on your setup. These help with organizing products and storing extra details for use in your theme or apps. At the very bottom are your SEO settings. This controls how your product appears on search engines like Google, including the page title and meta description. Write something clear and enticing here so people are more likely to click through. When you're happy with all your changes, scroll back up or down to find the Save button and click it. Once it's saved, your updated product page will be live for your customers.